What's up guys, it's Brandon from BlazeTech. In today's video we're going to be cleaning my computer just over there. I don't know this for years, so it's going to look terrible. But no, main things we're going to be using is spray can over here, and that vacuum cleaner to pick up some stuff. But other than that, hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe, like, follow me on my socials. And yeah, I'm running out of content. Ugh. And thanks for 100 subs. I may make a dedicated video on that. Anyway, let's show you the computer. Huh? It's gonna look so bad. It's so filthy.
I can't wait for you to open this in the box up now.
That's not bad.
Wow.
Oh my god, it is actually clean! It's fine. Doing this with one hand sucks! How do I forgot how to open my own case.
Oh, that is filthy.
Oh wow, that's hanging.
Oh.
That's not good.
Oh. Oh, dude. Wow.
It's terrible.
That's loose. Look at the dust on that. That's because dust can cause static. Static, which means it can make them go poof. How come this is loose?
Because it's terrible. So, as you can see, it looks pretty terrible. I'm surprised it's not blowing up. Anyway, I'm going to attempt like a time lapse where I clean it and you watch and I fast forward it. I've not done it before, so first time for everything. So yeah, enjoy, kind of, try your best. I decided to go outside because I had to clean this. Now it's somewhat better. So we are making slow progress. Hey Dad, how you doing?
Yeah, good man.
Even though this is not a CPU video, if you want like clean thermal paste on there, you can use alcoholic wipes. That's what I'm gonna do because I got some. Now these Medi swabs is what I use. I don't know, if I'm gonna come as Wales, they're cheap. Yeah. When you do clean the CPU, it doesn't have to be like pitch perfect. For some reason my camera just cut out. Anyway, yeah, so when you get the new thermal paste, which I got some, I believe it's like M4 or something, but you need like a little drizzle. That drizzle, depending on thermal paste, should be enough. My particular one, I think lasts like a year or two. Each one's different, but for one I got, I'll just link in the description. And if you want Medi swabs or like air can stuff, I'll link that too, may as well. Is the MX4 thermal paste. Now this was cheap, it was like $10 I think, including shipping. I've heard this is pretty good. I believe it's either made in the US or it's made in Germany or something like that. And yeah, no. It was highly recommended, so I was like, hey, I ran out, need some more. May as well buy some new stuff, and yeah, there you go. So I'm just gonna put it on my CPU and it should be good. Now I know some people are not gonna be mad, but this is how much thermal paste I used for mine. So unfortunately my camera died, so this is pretty much for Amazon. I've already set everything up. I've connected it to my monitor, my keyboard, everything pretty much. So I've been using it like a day since the last clip, but as you can see, all of this, the camera doesn't do it justice. It actually looks better in person. Let's see if I can change the, it actually looks probably more like this. So as you can see, the front is now all shiny. The very top is, well, I know it's scattered with stuff now, but actually looks a whole lot better. As for the, so actually, I'm gonna grab my phone. We're gonna shed some light on the situation. So unfortunately, this cooler sucks because it doesn't even fit in my motherboard correctly. I should replace it so I don't die, or my CPU or my motherboard gets broken or anything like that. As you can see, the back fan looks good now. Graphics card hasn't got stuff on it like all dust and debris, as well as the power supply. I eventually want to get a, I forgot what it's called exactly, but a power supply which hasn't got all the cables. It's only got the ones that you need. And over here, we all the hard drives, SSDs and hard drives, they're all clean. And no, yeah, there's like micro bits of dust, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with the progress. And it only took about, I don't know, 30-40 minutes to do, so yeah. But no, that is the video for today. Let me focus in. So that's the video for today, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if I've not been progressive with videos. I've had ideas, but I just don't have the budget, honestly, to do what I want to do. But next video is going to be thank you for 100 subscribers, because genuinely, it really means a lot to me. But other than that, thank you for watching. This is Brent from BlazeTech. See you guys in the next video. Remember to like this video, as well as subscribe, and you can check out my socials at Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. Links are on screen, as well as down below. I can't do English today.